Jelmer here. In this quick little video I want to share with you the one tool that has been a huge game changer for me this year, in the year of 2025. And it's not the mobile Workbench, but it's this little thing right here. This is a specialized wood pencil, and it cost me something like $15. And as a matter of fact, it even came in like a small set with a whole lot of other tools. Maybe I'll talk about that sometime in the future, but this one right here, it has been a total game changer. And the main reason for this is that the tip, it's very thin, and it makes a very easy mark. And you can see that my tip is almost finished. So if I want more pencil, I just press it, and that's how to sharpen it basically. So to make like a marking on wood, look, there is nothing on it here. I just do it once and I have a perfect mark. And this is such a game changer. Like before, I used to have like a carpenter pencil, and well, let me get it for you quickly. So before I used to use these carpenter pencils, and you know, we all start somewhere, and I figured like, well, this is what I see available in the store, so let's just use that. So that's what I used for literally years. So let's do the same mark with one of these, and then you can actually see the difference right away. So again, I'm gonna do one mark, and well, okay, you can see like it's actually pretty sharp still, but it's a thinner line. This one really is easier to see versus this one. And even if I take like another pencil, this one, then this one, then this one, you can see that there's no consistency here. Like this one is thin, this one is almost like this pencil that I recently got, but there's no consistency. And yeah, so this one has been a huge game changer. Plus also like with these pencils, where you get the mark, it's not always consistent. So sometimes, you know, it will be a little bit like so, then a little bit like so, because of how the tip wears off. But this one here, no matter how you put it, like so or so, it's gonna be pretty much in the same spot. And yeah, for me this is really upped my game as far as it comes for precision. And yeah, the next step here is the foldable workbench, because my play with that is also to up my precision, because that's something that I'm not really happy about. So that's what I want to change moving forward. So if you want an easy way to up your game, I can highly recommend this one. I'm not affiliated in any way, but just look on Amazon for like a carpenter pencil, and something like this, it will surely pop up. Now, and once again, it only costs like $15. So it's like really cheap, and it comes with like a whole lot of pencils as well to put inside of it, so you can really use it a long time. I'm still on the original one that it came with, and I've been using it for literally like 2 months or something, so it has been a good long while. So let me know in the comments what is your preferred way of marking wood. Do you prefer to use this, or do you prefer to go old school? Just a short video to keep the flow going in the summer. So that's it for this one. Hope to see you again soon. And there are these other tools as well. This one, it's just one of them. I might discuss it later on in another video. Anyways.